How are you and what's your preparation going on? So today you can see that what I scored, and day by day my marks are, you can see that decreasing, but I will try and always try. And you can see that reasoning score, today I am not perform well, but I will practice and always practicing. English score, you can see that 13.25, 75, and quant also, you always see that in my quant section I am not perform well, but I will practicing, and on the daily basis I practicing for quant, but in by mock test I am practicing. No PDF, no videos. I am practicing only on mock test. So you can see that today my perform, and you can 36.5 marks, and yesterday you can see, you also see that you also saw that what I am scored. So percentile 45.06, and but you know that I always I am also sharing my marks with you, because you know that I am, whatever my marks I scored 36, whatever my marks I scored, I always share with you. I didn't matter that what people think about me, and what they are saying. I didn't think, I never think that, because I know I will I am improving, and I know I am trying to my best. So I will always share, and on if I don't share with you, so I am share on Telegram channel. So whatever my marks I scored, so always share with you. And don't think about what people think about me, and what perspective about me, and what are you saying. I didn't matter. So always share with you. Okay, so let's see on the sectional section wise. You can see two question are wrong, and in English section you can also that many questions are incorrect, and in quant section you can see that 13 3 question also incorrect. So I will practice and more practice, so that I can improve, and uh, day by day I am practicing, so that I can improve. But believe me, uh, day by day my marks are I doesn't know, I doesn't know what is happening. Day by day my marks are decreasing, and I didn't think about that, about what is my marks now are going on. So please share your marks, if you do if you so please share your marks, guys. And I am trying to English, I am trying to speak in English, because I want to that I am I mean what I am saying, I want to improve in English. I am watching motivational. I am watching motivational, inspiring videos, and I read book daily basis on the daily basis, and I am teaching students so that I can improve, and also my students. So day by day I want to this, that I improve, I can improve. So please don't laugh, and you know also that I am Hindi medium students, and how difficult for Hindi medium students also, and you know very well it है ना. And also Hindi medium student that know that what difficult, how much difficult this for Hindi medium students. So you didn't laugh, in spite of difficulties. You know that I am trying still. So you don't laugh at, also you appreciate my effort that I am sharing with you. I am not hesitate what people think about me, and other things. But you, what are you saying? I see that because I am not we are not always perfect. We are day by day learning and improve yourself. So don't laugh at anyone you are laughing. So I don't think what about you me, but I'm this, and it's my reality. So you think about my perspective about me, your perspective. So I never thought think that what about you me, what think about you me. So thank you guys.